I'm back. It's Josh with Northwest Roof Maintenance. I'm here in Gresham, Oregon to replace some box vents. Let's get started. As you can see here, there is a crack on the top of the box vent. This is the place that you do not want them to fail, because right below this there is a large opening, and the customer is currently experiencing a leak, which is why I'm here. I'll be replacing this one and a couple of others that have minor damage that could lead to further leaks in the future, but trying to mitigate that right now.